What is up? Bill here. Stay tuned for my unboxing and first impressions of Laurin Drums hi-hat, cymbal, and controller coming right up. What is up? Thank you for returning and stopping by to check out this unboxing and first impressions video. My friends at Laurin Drums have sent a hi-hat cymbal and an electronic controller for that cymbal. On the Alesis Crimson model, it comes with an electronic foot pedal and a stationary hi-hat. So what this will do is allow you to have a functional hi-hat using a traditional acoustic hi-hat stand with your electronic drum set. I want to thank Laurin Drums for sending this. It's very kind of you, and I'm really anxious to get it set up. So what I'm going to do is reset the camera, and we'll get this box opened up, and we'll take a look at it and see what we got. We'll get it set up. We'll do a sound check. So stay tuned. Let me get the cameras repositioned. I'll be right back. All right, before we open the box, let's take a look. If you're using the Alesis Crimson like I am, your traditional hi-hat that you get with your kit probably looks a lot like this. It's just a single cymbal mounted, and you play it, and you're using your foot pedal, which is the controller that gives you the open, mid-open, or closed hi-hat sound. And your pedal probably looks something like this. It sits on the floor, has a 1/4-inch jack that goes to your module, and by moving the pedal up and down, you get your cymbal positions with no actual moving cymbal. So what this is going to do is change that. Let's open it up, take a look. Once again, I want to thank Laurin Drums for sending this, and I'm really looking forward to getting this set up. As I said, there's not a lot out there with Alesis that will work, and it looks like this will. As with everything I've received from Laurin, it's well packaged. And here's the controller. What this will do is this is going to sit on the base of a traditional acoustic hi-hat stand. I see here's their business card. I will put a link up to their website on this video. This is the base that will sit on the traditional stand, and what we have here is the actual controller. So instead of a foot pedal, you're going to plug your foot pedal jack into the controller, which is a standard 1/4-inch jack, and when you pull the pedal down, it closes the switch, which will represent a closed hi-hat. And then as you open it, of course, the hi-hat, the cymbal is going to rise up and down just like a traditional hi-hat does. So it's going to feel much more realistic when you're playing your drums. So this is the controller. I'll set that aside for a minute. Let's take a look at the cymbal that they sent. What I love about Laurin Drums is that not only with their drum skins can you change or customize your look or skin, you can do the same with the cymbals. They offer a lot of different patterns. If you go to their website, laurindrums.com, you can see that they offer a lot of stock patterns to choose from. I prefer to go with a more traditional cymbal look, but you can send them a custom graphic of your choice, be it your band name, a picture of your dog, anything, dog or cat, and they can put it on the cymbal. So I went with a traditional look. Again, this is a metal cymbal, as all their cymbals are. I've got the trigger attached to it. I like the traditional look. It's a solid cymbal, feels really good. It's nice and heavy. Again, it has their name right on the top of it there. Good solid metal cymbal, so it's going to make a big difference in the way it feels. I have used the Laurin crash cymbals and I absolutely love them. But like I said, this is a graphic. I prefer the traditional cymbal look, but you can get a lot of others, and I've had various ones flashing on the screen that you can see there go by as I'm talking. And keep in mind that you can send them a custom graphic and they can put that on your cymbal. So anything you want, if you send them the graphic, you can have it on your cymbals, which is really cool. I don't know anybody else that does that. So let me disassemble my hi-hat that I have set up right now. I'm going to reposition the camera. We'll get this thing set up, put it together, and we'll give it a test on the Alesis Crimson module and see how it does. Stay tuned. Okay, I've already removed the hi-hat that I had on here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take the controller, slide it down to the base of the hi-hat stand, and then on the Alesis Crimson, you've got one labeled hi-hat control, which was plugged into the pedal on the floor. So now we're going to plug it in here. We'll probably get a sound, yeah. Okay, we're plugged in there. So I've already attached the top part to the cymbal. This happens to be a 14-inch. Looking at their website, you can get these in 12 or 14-inch. And they sent a 14-inch hi-hat. So what we'll do is we'll slide this down onto the hi-hat stand, and right before it gets to the controller, we'll secure it. So now we've got a working hi-hat. And I'm going to plug, this went to the hi-hat cymbal on the Alesis module. I'm going to plug it right into the base of the cymbal. We have a functioning hi-hat. That just adds a lot more to the playing style. It just feels more natural because you've got the up and down of a cymbal as you would with a acoustic ride cymbal. So this just adds a whole new realm of playing. If you like to play with a functional hi-hat, then this would be the way to go. It's working fine on the Crimson Alesis module right out of the box. So it should work with pretty much any electronic drum that has a 1/4-inch jack going to the floor pedal and a 1/4-inch jack going to the hi-hat. You just, like I said, plug your foot pedal 1/4-inch jack into the controller, which is at the base of the hi-hat stand. So all you need is an acoustic hi-hat stand, and with Laurin's hi-hat and controller, you are good to go. It's pretty cool. I love it. Thank you, Laurin Drums, for sending this cymbal over. If you have any questions, if anyone has any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or contact Laurin Drums directly. Again, I will put a link to their website and their email address right on this video. I appreciate you taking time to watch. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.